If you're getting the Microsoft Teams installation has failed error, here's how to fix it. First, open the Run dialog by searching for Run in the Windows search bar or pressing Windows plus R on your keyboard. In the Run box, type %appdata\Microsoft%, then click OK. Inside the Microsoft folder, look for any Teams folder. If you find one, right-click it and choose Delete. If there isn't a Teams folder, move on to the next method. Open the Windows search bar and type Add or Remove Programs. Open the Settings page, search for Microsoft Teams, click the three-dot menu, and select Advanced Options. Make sure the required app permissions, such as location and login, are enabled if they are available on your system. Next, click Terminate to close the app completely, then click Repair and wait for Windows to finish the repair process. Once it's done, try opening or reinstalling Microsoft Teams again. In many cases, these steps resolve installation errors and other common Teams issues.